So coming to the next topic, that is elements of simple curve. So this is a diagram of representation of your simple curve. Okay. So here T1, which is also known as PC, that is point of the curve, or this T1, that is point of the curve, it is also known as first point of tangency, which means it is the beginning of the curve where the alignment changes from tangent to curve. You can observe here, this is the portion, or this is the beginning of the curve where its alignment changes from, this is a tangent, right? Its alignment, when it reaches to the point T1, it changes from tangent to the curve. That is what they have given. It is the beginning of a curve where alignment changes from tangent to curve. Next is the point T2, that is PC. This is a point T2. That is point of curve. So even this T2 point of curve, it is known as point of curve, or it is also known as second point of tangency. So this is the T1 is the beginning of the curve, but T2 is the end of the curve, where here your alignment changes from curve to tangent. Got it? Next, this portion A T1, this portion, it is known as forward tangent or rear tangent. This portion AT1 or T1A, it is also known as forward tangent or rear tangent, and this is a point where your commencement of a curve start. From tangent, here the curve has been begin, and this is a point where it is going to start. And the following T2B, it is known as forward tangent. This is a